So far in SEO, we have been learned about a keyword planning by using a keyword everywhere, Google Keyword Planner, Google Trends, Google Alerts. This keyword planning will help if you are writing a content related to the keywords, trending keywords. It will help to crawling your page. For indexing a page, indexing is nothing but to get a better strength of the page so that you will be ranked first in a Google search. To get it, our page loading speed should be high. How to check this page loading speed? The loading speed we can check by using a Google page speed. Okay, Google page speed. Here, first one page speed insight is that Google developer. We have to select that one to check the speed of the page. Here we have to enter the URL. URL is nothing but your website link. We have to copy website link and paste it in a page loader here. URL. Then say analyze. Once you have been click analyze, it will give you the insights related to how much time it will take to load your page. Someone enter your URL in a mobile as well as in a desktop. The first one, it has been shown in a mobile. If it is below 50, it is very bad score. 50 to 90, it is okay kind of the score. And if it is more than 90, it is the best score in a for your website to load very quickly. In the sense, it is loading very quickly. Now we have a moderate speed because we have a score of 60 and that is in a mobile. You can check here, it is selected a mobile. First we can check what are the data we have. Okay, here the lab data is the analysis data we have. The analysis data says first contentful paint. Okay, to get first contentful paint, it takes a 2.9 seconds. First contentful paint is nothing but, for example, here you can see it will load a blank page initially. Then to get it, at least any of the text, okay, any text or image to display any text or image in your website page, any of the text or image in a website page, it will take 2.9 seconds. Then it is comes under again it is a time to interactive. Time to interactive is nothing but to load completely. To complete page, to load complete page, it takes a 6.2 second. 6.2 second. And speed index, it is a 4.8 second. It is nothing but overall speed index. Okay, total blocking time 310 millisecond. Blocking time is nothing but when you click on something, it will take time around 310 millisecond. It's okay. And a large contentful paint has a 6.7 second. In the sense, for example, it may be a text or it may be a image. Okay, to load that entire image in your page. Okay, to load entire image in your page, it takes a 6.7 seconds. And cumulative layout shift, it will take a 0.16, that is a very minute. Within a second, within a fraction of second, you can able to shift from one side to other side. Okay, this is the way you will be get loaded here. It is shown here like first few seconds it will show blank, then it will be load your this particular page here. This particular section will be loaded first, and later slowly it will be loaded a logo, then it will be entire page will be loaded. So this is the average second, that is nothing but total 6.7 seconds we require to load entire page. On an average we need a 4.8 seconds. So in the sense, it's like a 4 seconds up to 5 seconds it will take to load. We can minimize this loading speed so that we can improve the score. Okay, by minimizing a loading speed we can check how can we minimize the loading speed. Yes, some of the opportunities are there to minimize the loading speed. For example, out of 6.7 second we can minimize to a 2 second, 3, 4 second, 5, 6 second. Like this we can minimize around your loading speed. We can minimize by remove some of the unused javascripts. You can get the detail about those unused javascripts in your page. Okay, by minimizing their content length. Okay, by minimizing their content length we can improve the speed. We can improve the speed. Second one is a render blocking estimates. Okay, some of the images which have been there. Okay, if you are potential saving, how much we can save, how much we can save, this much millisecond we can save if you are changing this particular theme. Okay, if you are change a theme color, okay, icons if you are change, okay, by changing them we can reduce the speed of the loading. Okay, but we will not be able to do that one because they are inbuilt one. With the theme these two will be there. Okay, other things which are there in our control, that is server response time, that is will be in our control. For example, you have been taken a server with a GoDaddy or a Google domain, then we can change the plan to get a better server speed. You will be having a server speed like a 2 mbps, like it will be having a server speed. We can change the plan to get a better server speed. Okay, if it is not affordable then it is no issues. Then it comes to a formatting some of the images by changing their size. Okay, by changing their size we can able to save some of the time also. We can save around 32.32 seconds by reducing these two image size to this particular size. You can go and you can reduce this size. Okay, then this with our control we can reduce this size by changing a size of the image. Okay, again here one more page has this particular image. That image also we can change this size. And the css which is not used, that is a security code which is not used in your the site. By eliminating that one we can reduce the speed into a 0.15 seconds. Okay, these are the something which are there in your control. We can rectify these things to get it. Okay, we can save some of the time so that you can load your web page very quickly. But 6 seconds is fair enough because actually it will take 6 to 7 seconds. If you load any of the site, you can check how long it will take to load entire page. Okay, then it comes to some of the other things you can also do in a your website. That is nothing but you can change these contents. These are not, but it will not help you to save anything in the sense it will not help you to speed up. Okay, but you can rectify these things to change the speed. Okay, um, here third party code is there. Okay, we can improve that one third party codes. But Google Analytics, if you are not uh, created a Google Analytics account, again your speed will be improved. Okay, Amazon account if you are not created, okay, then your speed will be improved. But we need those third party codes because Google Analytics we need to know about website traffic and all. And we know some of the shopping website to list our product in that particular website. So it will not be possible to remove some of the third party codes. If, in case if some of them, if it is not necessity for your website, then you can turn off such a codes. Okay, in the sense you can turn off such a third party uh, accessibility so that you can improve the speed. That is my note, that is a 360 millisecond you can improve. And like this we have a all the reports here, but main reports are nothing but here what are there in our control. That is the opportunity we have. Okay, we can change these three image size, and we can potentially we can save up to a second, 1 second we can save by making the changes with the images, so that our speed will reduce to 5 seconds. So uh, like this we can check the speed for a mobile. This is for a mobile. Same thing we can check for the desktop. Okay, we have to select here desktop. It shows that in desktop we have a 92 score is 92. That is good enough. In the sense, you have been built your entire website. Okay, and it will take very minimal time to load in a website. We can see 1.3 second it will take to load entire page in a website, but it will take time in a mobile. So that because of the image sizes, we can reduce the image size, so that it will be easily it can be loaded in a mobile also. Okay, same thing here we can check. You all are in a control, because 1 second it will take here to load any of the website. So how it will be loaded, you can see here. It's better to comparatively better with the mobile. You can see here almost everything loaded in a first frame itself, right? First frame itself in a 0.8 second, almost 50% of the data has been shown. Okay, at the end it will show entire thing. Okay, like this again here you can see some of the script we can change. Majorly the first three things we can change, that is unused server time you can change, and javascript, if it is not used you can remove such javascripts, and blocking resources, anything is that you can change that one. So this will help one to analyze their website, the speed checking. Okay, how good, if you are having a in this range, okay, moderate to high range, then no need to worry about a indexing, because it will improve the indexing. Okay, it will improve the indexing, and you will be getting a better uh, page ranking. In the sense, in a ranking in a first page or second page, like that you can get a page ranking, better page ranking, when you having a better speed. Okay, if you are having in this range, it is in a 0.49 in 49 and below, 50 and below, then you have to take care of all the suggested here. What are the suggestions they have been given, you have to take care of that, so that you can improve the speed in your desktop as well as the in a mobile. You can change the speed in a desktop as well as in a mobile. Okay, this is how we can analyze the particular page for a speed checking by using a page speed insights. Okay, Google page speed insights. By using that, we have to copy the url, paste it here and analyze. You can